What's up YouTube? Today we're here at Lecampton Hill for another video. We're going to be showing you our trail that we recently made. I'm here with Ted, MTB, and it's a bit wet today but we should be able to get the most out of it. So we'll cut to when we're pushing up. So what's up YouTube? We're just pushing up now to the top of our trail. Hopefully going to get quite a lot of runs in today. It's very wet, so sorry for the bad quality, but I'm here with Ted on the push-up.
Yeah, we just hit out the drop that we'd never done before. We thought we might send it.
I'll put the clip on in a bit, but dyno drop complete, and we'll see you when we're up there.
This rock garden's very sketch. Okay, into the pedaling, into the hip. Did that nice. Really slipped. Into that rollable drop. Boom, boom. Got up. This time I was running way faster. So slippery that was. Oh my god, I'm slipping on everything.
Alright, now we're dropping into lower main line. You're going first. This is very sketchy in this river, but we should be able to send it. Oh my god. Already, this is the worst thing ever. Although it's covered by trees, it's still bad. Oh my god. Oh, it's just so overgrown. Oh my god, it's so slippery. That is so slippery. Oh my god.
Does this actually even work?